Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to delete sticker responses on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Next, click on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner to access the menu. From here, select Your Activity. Once inside your activity, look for the option Sticker Responses and tap on it. Here, you'll see all your responses. Choose the one you want to delete. After selecting it, tap Delete at the bottom and confirm by clicking Delete again. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.